Hello Philippines and hello world. Ako nga pala si Alana. So mag-interview ako ngayon ng isang undergraduate ng HRM students sa STI. So samahan niyo ako punta sa kanyang bahay. Naglalakbay tayo. Dora Bells. Dora lang ang peg. Joke lang. Gulo na yung buhok ko. The doorbell na tayo. Tulog ata. Tulog nga ata. Balik na lang tayo mamaya. Tara na. So, nandito po tayo ngayon para interview si Ate Connie. Ate Connie, di ba yung HRM student?
Tsaka, nag-take din ako ng computer science.
Simulan ko na po yung
Okay.
So, ano po, how do you see the world?
The world is growing and we can stop technology. It's computer technology, right? Everything we do today is with the aid of computer. That makes our life easier. For example, we do our homework with the use of computer.
Modern as well.
Mm-hmm.
So, how do you respond to this or something?
We have to adopt the fast-moving computer technology because we do not adopt the computer technology, we will be obsolete.
How do you respond to this? How do you express this response, mother?
Okay, if you have computer, you have to adopt the modernization. Example, if you have computer, you have to upgrade it into tablet. For now, we have ebook, right? Example, I don't need to bring Bible. Yeah, di ba mabigat siya? Ngayon, pwede na ako mag-download ng ebook na, no? Ano ba siya? Magaan, di ba?
So, do you consider yourself creative?
Yes. Because the world is vast, that you have to be creative. And people comes in different forms, so that you have to be creative. But for now, the world is very competitive, that you have to be creative to compete. Di ba?
Yes. Thank you, Ate Connie, for that wonderful question.
You're welcome, Alana.
So, nakausap po natin si Miss Connie Gregorio, and dati po siyang HRM student at nag-aral din po siya pero nag-shift po siya sa computer science sa STI po. Thank you po. Bye!
Blooper!
Seconds lang. So yan po, nakunan.
Cut! Uy!
Yun na yan?
Oh!
Baluto.